XRP is about to make us all insanely rich, and I'm going to share with you when this is going to happen and how it's all going to likely break down. If we take a look at XRP, we can see that XRP is at 59 cents right now. It's holding quite strong. We are forming higher lows at the moment, technically bullishly sound. Bitcoin on Friday finally broke out of a multi-week consolidation, reaching around $65,000. So this is a very big move. I told you all was likely to happen, and if it were going to happen, altcoins are going to start moving. Take a look at Solana. We got a breakout here as well. So a lot of altcoins are moving up. If we take a look, something very important here, the total 3 market cap, we are getting a breakout as well. Just like I showed you Bitcoin here, multi-week consolidation, unable to break resistance. Every time we come up here, we get rejected. We finally have broken out, and now we are back testing. We are doing a retest of this level. We could come a little bit lower in the next few days for cryptocurrencies. It's at the end of the month. Very normal things like this take place at the end of months because people take profits, and hedge funds, they're moving money around, clearing the books, clearing trades out. That's kind of how it goes. But I told you all, I'm expecting the first week and potentially even a little bit earlier, first week of September or earlier, which is just around this time now, the end of the month, that we are about to start to see some fireworks because these hedge fund managers, these institutional managers, they're all returning from their summer break. Guess what happens the first couple of weeks of September? Everyone returns from work and everything starts to kick off again. So this summer playbook, this summer price action is now going to be over with. And what summer price action usually is, and what we see every single year, is the market is very choppy. You'll see crashes, it'll chop up and down, up and down. There's no real trend. But once we start getting into the end of months, that's when we begin to get huge trends and breakouts, which in this halving cycle, we have an election coming up. All of these signs are pointing towards bullishness. We take a look at my Twitter, we can see that there are $200 million in inflows to the BlackRock Bitcoin ETF. The institutions are continually aping Bitcoin and cryptocurrencies. If Bitcoin, which I think what it's doing right now is retesting this breakout at some point in the next couple of days, this is the bullish case scenario for the short term. If Bitcoin continues to confirm this breakout, the breakout continues to happen, we should expect a very big candle up sometime very soon, continuation of the breakout. When there is a breakout, the market breaks out. It doesn't trend, it doesn't range, it doesn't chop, it breaks out. That's what a breakout is. The first target for Bitcoin is going to be around $69,000, which if we get this breakout here for Bitcoin, this next move is going to be to 69,000. That means the altcoins are going to go absolutely bananas. This guy's calling for a $10 XRP. We have $100 million in XRP moving, just about $100 million. Are these institutions buying XRP? What's going on here? There is some big moves about to take place, and people are calling for very high price predictions. So we just had a halving for Bitcoin, and this is what kicks off every single crypto bull market historically. It's 100% accurate. The last time we had a halving, look, we had a consolidation. We started pumping up higher, and we finally broke out. And the price ended going from the halving around $8,000 all the way to just about $70,000 not much longer after, within 500 days of that. So we've just had a halving. We're consolidating. We're trying to break out here. We had a massive crash, by the way, at Black Swan for Bitcoin, which brought us down to $48,000. And guess what do you think is going to happen to Bitcoin, especially with all this institutional demand and everything that we always see? It's going to go up much higher. Bitcoin is going to go really, really high, possibly to $200,000. And what that means for the entire crypto market is that they're going to go really, really high as well. And XRP is going to be one of the coins that is going to outperform because it has one of the best use cases for cryptos that have ever been made. XRP is a banker's coin. It's made to essentially replace banks, to kind of do what Bitcoin was designed to do, but better. And it's also a form of liquidity. It's a way to send, receive, and transfer money very quickly. at very little cost with the highest level of security. That's what XRP does. And that's why we are seeing all of these partners coming out with these banks that are partnered with Ripple, announcing their partnerships with XRP, Ripple. It's going to get really big, guys. Now, when is this going to take place? Well, it's all going to take place together. XRP is still, like I said, a part of the crypto ecosystem, and it can take off before cryptos really take off. But you have to understand they all move together. And when cryptos really start to take off, which I believe they're going to start really taking off in September, between September and November, that's when you're going to see XRP outperform, because people are going to move towards value, towards use cases this cycle. Meme coins are going to be big, and use cases are going to be the biggest. And people are going to gravitate towards this. And in the near future, the next couple of years, people are going to really see this. Banks and all these things are going to become more popular, more public with using Ripple, with using XRP. And there's a possible flip the switch moment where, you know, a lot of banks, a portion of banks will be using XRP, the XRP ledger, the XRP stablecoin, RLUSD, all of these things. When just a small portion of these banks use it, which are using hundreds of trillions of dollars, and we only capture a small percentage of it, that's how XRP is going to be able to get to that $100, $500, $1,000 price prediction that you guys hear about. But I think without that flip the switch moment, this current bull market, I'm thinking that XRP can reach $7 to $10 if it is just a part of the crypto bull market, a part of the crypto bull pump. It's going to be insane. It's going to be insane. Not only on top of that, if Donald Trump gets elected, he said that he is going to basically pump cryptos, that the government's going to be buying Bitcoin. They're going to use it as a part of the treasury, a portion of the treasury. That's absolutely insane. It would be really good for the country, by the way. It'd be really good for inflation and the US dollar. And just small things like this is going to pump the market. The last time Trump was in office, the last bull run was an effect of Trump's policies that were put into place that allowed the market to pump. We had lower interest rates, which we're now getting interest rate cuts. All of these different things that I'm talking about is what's going to be pumping XRP to these crazy price predictions. And you guys are going to be blown away. Nothing in this video constitutes financial advice, of course. You guys should really be in my Patreon, where we are making a fortune with futures trading. You guys can copy my signals. This is my account balance, guys. This is my account analysis of the last 30 days on Bluefin, which is where you should be trading on. But everyone is following my signals. You can see that I literally grew this account from $26,000 to all the way up to $83,000 in just the futures account. You can see position of closed long order is $69,000. This is the P&L, the profits, and also the profits of my short positions, $23,000. You guys can put the math there. Trading volume, $30 million. You guys can be following my signals. Also, my meme coin calls that are doing absolutely incredible. You need to be a part of the Patreon. We can have access to all this, and where I'm also teaching people how to become full-time traders every single week on Thursdays. So you guys can join the school option on the Patreon if you guys want to learn how to trade cryptos full-time. As well, you guys really need to be using ALGOSNIPER. This thing will tell you exactly when to sell before the market crashes. It will also give you a buy alert. Look at buy alert at 59,000 for Bitcoin, pumped all the way up 10%. It's already dumping a couple of percent based on this alert. You guys can try this thing today for just $1 at algosniper.com. That's going to be it for this video. So if you guys, make sure you guys follow my Twitter, follow my Instagram, check out the links in my video description. I'm here to help you guys make money. See you later.